Ujor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
This is a white plate scooter. Is it legal to run on rental?
Yeah, I understand you.
Is it legal or not?
Yes or no?
Yes, I understand that.
Understand
Is it
what?
legal?
Yeah, it's the way you are saying the thing, I'm understanding it.
Are, is it legal?
You cannot answer properly.
I'm saying that only.
You cannot answer properly.
No, I'm saying that only.
Hadin ka jingsha penyap Raja Raghuvanshi Hasora, Kasorka Zilla Klapenmi Yakarukam I Laisen, Menshimwa Yikali Sao Shaka, but Thuk Arshaka. Hendrei Hapadeng Kaniga Jingperking, Gidang Don Pat Kibrio, Kibarang Kamai Bean, Daklenti Kabumday. Kanika Jingjak La Pau Pertei Haka Arpotrik Unaitung Azapun Rio, Habakir Kod Jonka All Vehicles Rental Association of Meghalaya. Kilabat ya way ubrio ubalakno baula penya yakakam IY Arshaka Khlem Laisen Keatinge Road. Habakran chikla patai kubor General Secretary Jongka Seng uba laris imli ulai thu batang shio jingtep halokani la Ujor shiki Pulit Jongka Rynjah Police Station but Khlem dapat Slam ki Pulit ru kilalit pelong ya ka jingtokit but kurup ru santeli ki Thuk Arshaka kaseng kala kentu yakinong jongok kai perthai banwai ki kali tang na kinong penya ki bala ithu da ka sarkar da ka baong baki agency ki badan Laisen ki bu jingtho bat ki jing pensisha ki babyang ki bayada yakinong wan jungok kai perthai bat ru yakinong aiwai kali
नाम क्या है तेरा?
Sorabli.
हाँ? Surabli. Your good name, sir?
Divakar.
Where do you stay?
There in Keatinge Road only.
And where do you do all this illegal business?
Keatinge Road.
Keatinge Road.
Achha, leave that
I really
aside.
don't know.
Okay, leave that aside. Ever since the Sonam Raghuvanshi case happened, the government introduced a new
I was
policy for
not there.
rentals.
Honestly, I was not there even that time.
So this is a white plate. Is it a
I
legal
just
thing
came
or
there
an
recently,
illegal?
brother.
Just
you know-
answer to a simple question.
I was studying outside and I just
Okay,
came
fine.
there recently.
Everything said and done, we totally agree with what you're saying. But I'm just asking you a simple question. This is a white plate scooter. Is it legal to run on rental?
Yeah, I understand you.
Is it legal or not?
Yes or no?
Yes, I understand that.
Is
Understand
it
what?
legal?
Yeah, it's the way you are saying the thing, I'm understanding it.
Are, is it legal?
You
or
cannot answer
illegal?
properly.
I'm saying that only.
You cannot answer properly.
No, I'm saying that only.
Is
Saying
it
what?
Legal or illegal, bro? Simple बोलना क्या इतना घुमा रहा है?
नहीं illegally आप जो
हाँ
बोल रहे हैं।
बस हम नहीं बोल रहा है ये illegal है.
आप जो बोल रहे हैं वही सही है.
What?
What he's trying to say, I'm saying that only.
How many days have you been doing all this illegal business?
I don't remember, brother. I'm just.
Memory loss.
No, I came here recently only.
You don't know that your family is doing this? That your papa is doing this? You don't know?
No, I came here and I saw that.
You came and you saw that?
Yeah, I was studying outside.
Wow. What did you study? Do you remember?
Yeah,
What do you study?
I studied my engineering. I did my
Huh?
bachelor's.
How do you remember?
Yeah, because I did it, right?
Huh? Your family doing this and you don't know?
I really don't know.
How come we are such a smart guy studying engineering and all and doesn't know that their family is doing such businesses? Wow.
How much did you charge for him?
But,
Please answer straight.
yeah, I don't remember the money.
Please answer straight.
Seriously, brother.
Please answer straight.
No, how
Please.
much you charge, you can show me, right?
How much you charging per day? I'm asking you.
I really don't remember, brother. You show me.
Normally, how much do you charge?
Dengan bentuk turis ngai ke longi di bala register sudah yang di belakang ini. Turis pati yang kendu ini di yang nasional nak kita kilo. Tang apa ini guys skuti, i ke private skuti. Dia kata kamlong legal dah. Dia tak kena ini ya, ang lada ikuan cooperate ini ya. Wan lah satanat na. Takan nak yang seng tinggi baru ni lah isu permit, lah isu commercial tax, commercial permit, ke insurance baru. Fitness certificate, alam pergi local taxi ni, alam pergi tourist taxi, manusia ni renew. Dia boleh gini kau kita ni illegal.
Ada एक policy mo, एक ने का vehicle rental policy, एक two wheeler, four wheeler. ये apa का सरकार कला चुनाव एक policy ban ban ai wai ban long legal te sedang don ki dang bon ki pashim ba ai haga white plate ni kan mal long illegal man ngi baro ni ngila register ki vehicle ni ngila ya kat kum ga ai te tax ngila sil cha ka sarkar te badan pat kum kini ki pashim kabu ki babam kamai chong ni kita tengim ai lat ki kata te ngin kaliang seng ngin scam bangin ngin itrelang bat ki por senshar bangin report kum kini ki bala illegal kini kita
bam tate long ipek ni te kitang bun men mar ba ki ba illegal te kidei ba de ki kahari nomor ba sa koi ki ong ba pa yo te kata ding Laisen te kata te ben ong yang ni kata ka jubab mla ba jubab ya kata nak daw yu te ta ko te long wa kidum ai be an kin long yang kom yang ni bla register te long kata nomor ni bla siu lut ki ke bar pa kumbol ong gini ki ma ki member tu ni subah nak dapat jaga sokar bagian bagi bagi semkia ni ka kambar ne ke ka kamram daki umbak la kula ni ka nak don ki por bang la report tang balong ta gila wan ki inspector di ke la wan tang balong ki ang na ba ki cha fine tama hadu mata da long evidence ni bagi fine ki beru tang bagi sa fine tama hadu la no ta de fine
kat kum ka jingla jungi hi bangin ya percaya gini te ka dewe lomba bangin bat be ka ha bangi lap te bangin le hi mentas ngiru bangin ya report be sepo ka police station te ngin ai be da ka FIR ing tu kat kum bagaya ji ka lenti kan kumta.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.